Hello viewer. Welcome to Everything Review Pro. In this video, we try to more information about top 5 food processors. We try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So easily find your best product. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Cuisinart FP8 SVFR. Medium to fine along with a stainless steel chopping/mixing/dough blade. Add ingredients during processing with high, low, off, and pulse controls. Easy to clean, removable parts are dishwasher safe. 350 watts for powerful food prep performance. 8-cup work bowl with measurement markings. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 70820. Slice, shred, chop, puree and knead. Easy assembly with quiet operation. 5 attachments with convenient storage. Built-in bowl scraper and sealed bowl. Large feed chute. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. Braun FP3020. The food processor is used for chop, slice, whisk, and knead. It has variable speeds. You can set your own speed as well as a pulse mode. Rated powerful 600-watt motors for processing. Get a vitamin boost with the juicer attachment. 1-year warranty from the manufacturer. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. Cuisinart DFP14BCNY. Includes stainless steel slicing disc, shredding disc, and new chopping blade. 14-cup Lexan work bowl, extra large feed tube, small and large pushers. Product built to North American electrical standards. Detachable disc stem. 720-watt large capacity food processor. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. Breville BFP660 SIL. Grating cheese and chopping herbs or nuts to mixing batters and pureeing soups. 12-cup cap, BPA-free plastic work bowl, safety braking system. Large 5-wide feed chute eliminates need to pre-cut most ingredients. Momentary pulse button for maximum control and even processing. 1000-watt induction motor offers great versatility. Please check out the description for details and update price.